Hi everyone. This is Elizabeth Mariama from Amiga Visa Advisory or AVA Migration. Today video we going to talk about O1 visa for F1 international student with OPT and CPT to prepare you guys how you prepare documentation or prepare your portfolio, prepare your supporting evidence during the OPT and CPT or F1 international student period of time. Some of you may know me because been follow my YouTube channel before, and I've been talking about O1 visa before. And yeah, today video gonna update a little bit about how did you prepare yourself who on F1 international student visa. If you are on OPT and you want to do self-employed OPT, there are the way that we talking about here. Some F1 international student want to start their startup company without knowing that how they're gonna do it, which is the good period that they can be able to do it. So today we're going to talk about that. Um, OPT is the one of school program after you finish like certificate degree or master degree or bachelor degree, and then you aim to apply for H1B, uh, or another alternative way is O1 visa. That is gonna be good solution for you that you're going to um you know kind of like have some time to think about it when you are up. There are two ways that F1 OPT or CPT can apply to be working in the US. First thing everyone knows is what H1B lottery program, which is you have to apply every February, and by the end of April you will know the result that you get select or not. As I say, it's what like lottery program, like if 50-50 you're gonna get select or not. So but I'm here to talk about uh, F1 international student who are extraordinary ability for you are talent immigrant, and then you have working so hard with your project even during OPT, or you are on H1B already but you want to expand your project and make your startup happen in the US. So this is a good program, good option of visa that you can do it without like wait for H1B lottery. Or if you already on H1B and you feel like, hey, I need something like uh that can be like finish my finish my startup program longer than take it could take some time for some startup, right? So this is one of the part that make your immigration part after finish F1 student OPT program faster. And also if you have enough evidence that it could say like you have like some startup project have a few co-founder, and even you are not be able to get some funding, yes, but still you have some platform, you have developed something that we have with the country. So this is gonna be something that you have to uh put your education on it, because all one visa could take at least 3 to 6 months to prepare all the document, or even year if you feel like your startup is early stage or pre-seed or anything. So here we talk about OPT first, optional practice training. OPT you have two options. One thing you work with some employer, and another thing is you can do self-employed OPT, which is related to be F1 startup founder to start your company with F1 OPT, self-employed OPT. So here, let's talk about it, the step by step, right? Um, what you need to do first thing is you need to build strong record of OPT. If you are on regular OPT or STEM OPT, you can be self-employed in your work direct related to your degree, and you have to work full time at least 20 hours a week during this time. Publication or promote your work, like especially if you are on uh O1A, you have to be like software engineer, AI, some stuff like that. So you have to make like make strong research, make strong publication. And also if you are in arts, so you have to have like your really strong portfolio. Your artwork have to be competition somewhere, and you may may need to won the award somewhere. So that kind of like make case stronger. And also you need to be able to collect the cover media. I would say like if I were public in some website or I have an award, so and also um review the letter of the recommendation, like you work with some uh top tier of startup founder in AI, or you work with top tier artists before, so you have been OPT with them or have been like come across the path, so you might need to get a letter of recommendation from them as well. I have a few cases that like student work with really high-end brand designer, so and also work with Netflix casting, because he a fashion designer. He make the capsule fashion plan for Netflix actor before. So I did ask the student itself to request to have the recommend letter from that actor as well, or the brand designer as well. So this is make the case stronger in the portfolio. And so you could, another thing you need to concern about build your portfolio. Sometimes when you are in AI, you probably have a bunch of like research, everything like that, software engineer portfolio. But when you are in art, like artist, like designer, sometimes you have a lot of video. So how to build your portfolio is termed to be like you need to start looking for like, okay, I get this video from Netflix, I get this video interview somewhere. How did I make that in the paper? So we going to go through this one by one. If you have question, you can book appointment to talk to us either private appointment. So we give you consult with this for free. And if you are our client, so we going to help you prepare all of this. It could take time, like between 3 months, 6 months, or even year. Yeah, there are no specific time that how long you're gonna take this. Depend on you how you want your own case to look, to turn out like look strong, supporting evidence. And then um so you might be able to participate in the event, like speaking in a panel or conference. So that could be really good supporting affidavits as well for submit document to apply for O1 visa. When we talk to speaking at the conference or panel, is that include like hosting the event as well, as long as you show what you collaboration is. Like I say, if you are in software engineer, you be able to show that, okay, you bring investor and you bring some artists together, or some people that do coding together in the event. So that could be like good, really good collaboration. When once it's turned out, you might be put on the name of the host, one of the hosts, and also can use that as the evidence that you are doing this event for this program, for this, like for these people who are in related in your area of work, right? So here, step by step, right? So there are two types of O1. O1B is for science, education, business, or athletics. So, and the other one is O1B is for art and film or TV. So there are two different areas, I would say. Like O1A is for science, software engineer, research, like, and education, and even like startup founder and soccer player or tennis players, professional tennis players, some stuff like that. And O1B is about all thing that related art, like actress, like designer, like news reporter, or anything else, can be everything. It's about us. And also it's include like if you are piano player, some stuff like that. So that includes in O1B as well. So in O1, there are 8 criteria, but you have to pass at least 3 from 8 criteria for O1A. So award, critical role of organization or media coverage, which is important for me, and high salary or commercial success, membership in that kind of associate that you are working on, and also original contribution. And the last thing is about public work that about you or by you. So there are some people who doesn't have anything, any article public by the author, but they be able to public themselves in the work area that they are working on. That would be the case that really important here. And if you are self-employed, and you can be able to show this all kind of document that impact to you. So here I remind again, 8 criteria you have to pass at least 3 criteria for O1A, right? But yeah, so here we are solving petitioner issue. If you are self-petitioner, it's not allowed for O1. Yeah, but you will need the agent or the company that petition you. You have at least 3 options. Agent as employer, so that would be like, artist agent, everything like that. So agent for multiple client employer. If you are working with multiple employer, you might have to show multiple job offer in high salary as well. And US company that as a petitioner, like I would say, like Airbnb want to sponsor me as a petitioner, so Airbnb we have to give us some letter, and also we need to put some information about Airbnb on our case file. So there are 3 options for self-employed OPT for O1 visa and to solve the petitioner issue. So we have to work on this three option, like agent as employer, agent for multiple client employer, and also US company, including like your own. If you have during the process of OPT for F1, you can, if you prefer the way to be self-employed OPT, you'll be able to put yourself on or register for LLCs and C Corp during the OPT period. So this is what but you cannot own 100% in that C Corp, right? So here, if you want to go consult specific in this area, please feel free to make appointment with us in this video. So we're going to talk to you about this. And yeah, you can have a trust co-founder on this as well. That would be helpful, because since you cannot have 100% in the shareholder of that LLC, or so I would say like looking for American fan or green card holder fan that could be like, help to be co-founder, so you can manage your majority shareholder to be 50-50 with them. So that could be help as well, right? And yeah, next one we are going to talk about experience immigration alternate. Here one thing about my experience that no one else know, and I want to tell all F1 student here, since you are just start to looking for career path and your immigration path to work in the US, right? Not every immigration alternate practice in the same area. Like I would say, I am a family-based immigration, so I would do only family based, might be related asylum seeker as well. But if I would say like I prefer to do like employment based immigration, here we're looking to O1A, O1B, L1A, L1B, H1B, H2B, and EB2 and IW, and including EB1A as well. So there are a lot of immigration alternate doing that. So it means you might start thinking to have like, research on the immigration alternate who are working on employment-based visa and green card as well. So that's important that I want to warn everyone here, because once you start that, go to the right alternate that doing employment space and have experience on it. Everything will be easy. Everything will be quick, including their immigration paralegal or their legal team uh, or professional immigration worker that they're working to, like myself. So that will be help you with the process. They know what they need to request from you. That's what's going to be okay. So here I'm specific to O1A a little bit more, because I say O1A have 8 criteria, but you need to pass at least 3 of them, right? So 3 format: national or international recognition of prize and award, and membership in association. And the third thing is public material about you or your company in major of the media. And Jogging to work to other in your field, original contribute of the major of significant authorship like scholarly article or the critical role in a discussion organization, and also high salary where it from it can be from job offer or contractor, that could show your high salary that they're going to make the contract with you even today you not have contract with them, yes, but they can give you the job offer, so you see it be able to see that your salary is high. You can have one job offer, you can have multiple job offer from this as well. So I just want to remind about O1E O1A who are in science, education, business, and athletic a little bit. So, and another one, I have a lot of clients coming with this visa is O1B. If you are in music, design, photography, and film and TV, also everything related art and media, so you put yourself on this one. If you are you must have, there are 6 criteria, but you need to pass at least 3 criteria. First thing, lead or starting role in production event, like with the reputation that people know about you. You might have like at least like 35,000 Instagram follower and 100,000 YouTube subscription. Um, that would be the case that I'm talking about right now. And the second thing is national or international recognition. Yeah, YouTube can be, article can be, the review can be, and even your picture post for with the celebrity in the event, that could be too, or people who work in that industry, like the high-end fashion designer that you've been working or OPT with, that could be too. And the critical role for organization with the reputation, yeah, that's we already talked about. If you want to know specific area in this, please feel free to get a consult with us. So, and the record of the major of commercial and critically to the be success and significant recognition from expert, is you can have a expert later from a lot of people you've been working in the past during the OPT or CPT. That could be the case as well. And for the high salary and other substantial, this one is like when you are get the job offer or you get a contract from the company that try to get you the job during the OPT, you can use that, or they would probably show the salary that they try to give you in a year or monthly or an hour. If you want to know the number, what is the high salary we talking about here, feel free to make appointment with us. We have in different occupation, there are different rank of high salary here, so I don't want to miss out this part. So feel free to connect to us, and we going to give you explanation about high salary as well. So here there are timeline. People asking a lot of my F1 student. Almost my OPT is almost over. How long it's gonna take to do the O1? For build portfolio, I would say like I'm not including immigration processing with like six to 18 months. Gathering document is probably quick if you have all everything ready, like in your portfolio. It's like 1 or 2 months, and legal prep is only take 2 or 4 weeks. That is the part that we are doing it for you. But for build portfolio, you might be able to consult with that first. What you got gonna try to do, what document you prepare to send to us. We gathering everything. It could take like 1 or 2 months, and that already time that we sign contract with the law firm, right? And also immigration professional with it. And for O1 processing, it would take like only 2 or 3 months. It for regular processing, it can be 15 day for premium processing. So this is one I want you to keep in mind, that there are time that have to be prepared for portfolio as well. Except the client itself already select everything what they need to put on the application for us, and we agree that this is enough. So we go ahead gathering the document and do the legal prep filling. That's it. So we can go ahead send it to USCA. And if you go with regular processing, it will take at least 3 months, and if you go premium processing, it will take only 15 days to know the result. Okay, and me right here here there are warning point that I think I should say here, because some people come to me that told me that, hey, they have actuarial ability in this area, so but when I'm looking for the document, there are nothing that I can use for. So just make sure you outstanding in that specific occupation that you're talking about. If you haven't been like recognized by public media or get an award or anywhere, please consult with us so we can give you to guide that what you should prepare to do for yourself. It's not like everyone have all the comment ready, but if you not overestimate yourself and you thinking you are talent immigrant, you're supposed to work in the US with this specific visa like O1A or O1B, yeah, feel free to connect to us in a make appointment with us or email us so we can give you a his consultation. When we talk about it, when we talk about consultation, we have to look on your document as well. I would not say like you could come to us with nothing. I cannot help to try to start you learn how to coding, so we're not doing that. So at least you have to have some idea what your case supposed to be, what you try to present to the USCIS that was supposed to be. So, and here in the real life example, some F1 student don't understand that they be able to make their LLC on the company even they are on F1 student OPT. So if you are if you're on OPT and you are freelance for the US, like international client public on the top magazine, um, that would be the real life activity. Like for example, like you are on F1 OPT and you try to form your C Corp or LLC, you can took on like at least 20% partner as a co-founder and also CEO. But if the company file O1B for you, including client contract, you're gonna have to be prepare your client contract and praise and also portfolio. Uh, Once it's approved, it will give you like 3 year validity. So this is what I'm going to share with you today. But thank you for watching with this video. We hope we could we could have more session about talking about how F1 get to apply or prepare their case to apply O1 visa from their F1 international student. But I would say like let me summarize. I would say like you're not doing this when your OPT is almost end of the period, like 3 months after OPT end the period. You will not doing this because except you try to extend your visa, like maybe go back to the class again, certificate degree, bachelor degree again, because we need some time to prepare your case, right? And plus, even you have 5 weeks for us to submit O1, but you never know, maybe some document you have is not enough to submit to USCIS, so we're gonna have to prepare about that. So, but thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, please feel free to let us know. Bye bye.